welcome to my channel. I have an exciting new treat for you. I'm trying the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab eyeshadow palette, and let me tell you, I've been using this for a while and it's amazing. This is the box that it comes in, and it also is protected with a bubble wrap, but I don't have the bubble wrap. But this is the box that comes in. Super shiny and super pretty, and you get all of these 10 amazing shades, and that's what I used to create this look today. I'm going to show you some of these swatches from all of these 10 amazing shades and do a little tiny easy quick eyeshadow tutorial so you know how to get this look right here. I'm outside and I'm going to show you some of the swatches for the Jaclyn Hill palette. First, I'm going to use Bling Bling, and it's a really lovely shade of pink. It's a very light pink, super sheer, and it's a great base coat if you want to add some shimmer and then add some color on top. This is really great for doing that, and it makes a great highlighting shade too. I really love Bling Bling. Really nice soft pink tone. It's not too bright, so it like really blends in with your skin and gives you like some sort of shimmer. The next one is Hush Hush. It's kind of like a tan color. Haven't used that one yet, but it's more of a skin tone sort of shade. I really love Gem right here. It's a very deep purple shade, and it's amazing, and it's buildable too. It's much lighter right here than in person. Like, the swatches are kind of light, but when you apply them onto your eyelid, they really stand out on their own. Gem is like my favorite purple shade to go to. I just love it so much. The next one is Pisa, not sure. It's a sort of like a warm neutral shade, and it doesn't really show up too well. The next shade we're going to go to is Mystic, and I've used this shade before a little bit, and it's a really good warm tone brown shade. Very blendable. I don't know if you can see it. Very dark. Darker than the other ones. Like, the purple one is dark when you apply it, but this one is really good. We're going to go to Sparks, and that one's like a lovely orange shade. I used it, and it's like a reddish shade too. Very nice. I liked it for my Valentine's Day makeup. It's like a red toned shade, kind of with an orange undertone. Very nice. I really like that one a lot. This one is Glitz and Glam, and it's a golden sort of shade. This one is a more gold shade compared to this one, which has more of a pink tone to it. This one's a gold one. This one goes great with Sparks. Like, together, this one makes a great undertone shade. It's very sheer and just sparkly. It's like very princess-like. I really like this one a lot. This one is Rockstar, and it's sort of more of a violet shade. It's more of a light purple. Goes great with this one too. All these go great together. I like to do different combos with them. And that's what this one looks like right here. If you don't want to go so dark purple, you can use Rockstar as your alternative, and you'll still look freaking amazing. Look at how great that one is. That one's beautiful right there. This one is Ballsy, and it's more of a purpley tone compared to the other ones. Another great base shade. Super light and sheer. You can't really see it, but it's okay. Really love it. My favorite black glitter shade of all time is the Berry Treasure. This one is amazing. It goes on flawlessly, and it blends well with the other colors in the line. Super amazing. I love this one. It's a very dark shade with a hint of purple and some glitter in it as well. So you can be a dark sort of goth princess vibe going on. It's like super amazing. blends well with all these other shades. Just all these things are amazing. Like, I love this palette so much, I have to say. This one's buildable too. Look at that glitter. You see a lot of hints of like glitter tones in there, some purple. Like, it's not just a black, it has like hints of pink and purple and shimmer. It's like so many different things in one. I like really love this one. It's my go-to black, and it stays on all day no matter what. If you want to use this palette with another palette, you can, and that's amazing because they'll blend well with other palettes too. So you're really getting a lot for your buck right here. For $15, this palette is where it's at. If you're starting out with makeup and eyeshadow, I really recommend the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palettes. If you'll start out with great makeup, and you'll look great too. Like, you don't have to look jinky if you're starting out with makeup. You can build confidence with this. Like, you know, you're just starting out, you can build your confidence because you're like, oh, I'm going to look great with this, so you're going to feel inspired with other products as well. So, great products. I hope you can see all of the swatches that I did for you today. These are all of the amazing shades from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette collab. I'm out here outside in the lovely sunshine. It's a nice warm day and really sunny. I'm like, the sun is really bright, but I really want to show you a little mini eyeshadow tutorial that I want to do using the palette here. I have a few favorite shades that I want to show to you, but first we got to prime our eyelids, and this is the NYX eyeshadow primer, and it's the colorless one, and it's amazing with the palette. I've been using it for a while. I still keep it in the box so that way it doesn't get lost in my huge makeup bag. That thing is a disaster, but this is what the primer looks like right here. Awesome, and it goes on super well. A little dab right here, and then blend. Make sure that you're not smearing it and that you're patting it around, getting full coverage on the eyelid and under eye. You can dip in twice if you want to. I think that we're good and set. Now it's time to go to our lovely palette here, and I think I'm going to start out with the shade Bling Bling right here. It's a lovely pink toned shade right here. Great for a base shade. I'm taking one of my lovely eyeshadow brushes, and this one adds like a little bit of shimmer to your eye, so you don't have to like wipe it off completely. Like, the excess can act as like a little face shimmer, which is like really cute sometimes. And we're going to tap it on. Make sure that you tap out your excess if you want to, and apply. I'm going to move on to the other shade, which is Berry Treasure. It's my favorite black shade from the palette. It has a very cute purpley pink sparkle shimmer to it. I really love it, and it goes on super well. A little bit does go a long way, so you have to be careful. The next shade that I'm going to use will be Gem, this really dark purple shade. I really am obsessed with it. I love to use it for my crease right here, and it just works so amazing. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, like, that's purple. Shake off the excess. It's like one of my go-to purples, and I don't really wear purple that much. A little bit goes a long way, so blend carefully. See how well it blends into the black? It gives it a really beautiful smoky effect, and it doesn't disturb the other shade that we put underneath. If you want to, you can add some of the Rockstar shade to the under part for a hint of color. They actually mesh really well together, which is super nice. I've never done that before, so something new that I tried here, and it worked. I'm super satisfied with the way the eyeshadow turned out. This is my favorite eyeshadow application that I wanted to show you. Very simple and easy to do. I really love it a lot. I'm going to finish with the NYX gel eyeliner off camera and apply some more of the Wet n Wild matte finishing spray. That was the review of the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette collab. Those shadows are amazing and they blend super well together. I'm obsessed with them, and I hope you will be too. A lot of great shades and colors are in this palette, and it's only $15 like I mentioned previously in my swatches. Great value, and you get a lot of bang for your buck and so many versatile shades that can go with other palettes as well. Great deal. Super obsessed. I'm buying another one. Same look but different colors, so I have the whole family basically. Super amazing and awesome. Definitely purchase this one. I got it from Ulta, and I have a vlog posted a little bit further back. I will try to link it into this video as well. And if you're into finger swatches, I did a few finger swatches at the actual store. The store was amazing. Love it so much. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those videos and uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time, and thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. You have a great day or night, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.